Welcome to this PIERRE Academy tutorial. Today we will automate a light using a brightness sensor. Our goal is to have the light turn on automatically when it gets dark. Let's get started. To begin, we need multiple 5-volt power outputs. To maintain a well-organized and efficient setup, we'll integrate a power distributor to ensure additional 5-volt connections are available. Similarly, we will establish the necessary G and D connections. Now let's proceed with wiring the brightness sensor. We supply it with both GND and 5-volt power to ensure proper operation. Next, we need to connect the communication lines. This sensor requires 2 dedicated communication wires, which will be assigned through the configurable I/O module. We connect the first wire to pin 1 and the second wire to pin 2, ensuring a secure and stable connection. With the wiring complete, the sensor is now fully integrated. After neatly arranging the cables, we can proceed to power up the system. All status indicators illuminate. The power supply, controller, and Modbus module, although this is not relevant to this setup. Now, let's open the PIERRE Partner application. First, we verify that the controller is online, then navigate to the configurable I/O section to add a new I/O device. In this case, we'll be integrating a BH1000 750 brightness sensor. We assign it a descriptive name such as outdoor and designate the communication pins, pin 1 and pin 2, corresponding to our wiring setup. Leaving the other settings unchanged, we click Submit to finalize the addition. The sensor is now successfully configured. Next, we switch back to the main application. From the menu, navigate to Settings, then Dashboards. Here we select our existing dashboard and proceed to add a new I/O device. We check the box for outdoor and save the configuration. Upon returning to the dashboard, the sensor should now be visible and active. As lighting conditions change, the sensor's values should update dynamically in real time. Now, we'll configure automation, ensuring the light switches on automatically when it gets dark. To achieve this, we press and hold the light control for a few seconds, then navigate to the automation menu. We select Add Automation, followed by Existing I/O, to link it with the sensor. At this stage, we define the trigger condition based on brightness levels. Smaller, larger, and between. Smaller, the light activates when brightness falls below a defined threshold. Larger, the light turns on when exceeded a set value. Between, the light operates within a specific range. For this setup, we select smaller, configuring the threshold at 25% brightness. After finalizing the settings, we click Save and confirm the configuration. The controller now updates its configuration, and within moments, covering the brightness sensor triggers the light as expected when the brightness falls below 25%. This functionality is only active when the system is set to auto mode. The light will remain on for 2 minutes or until the timeout period expires. And that's it. Our automated lighting system is now fully functional. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and stay tuned for more practical guides from PIERRE Academy. See you next time!